Hey guys, it's Miriam from HonorBuy.de, and today I'm going to introduce one of my favorite products that I chosen myself. Today we have a portable lamp that we can use it either indoors or outdoors. So let's take a look what is inside. That will be the lamp. I'm going to put it here. I thought it would be very useful because how many times we go with our friends, we have a dinner, a barbecue, or even a birthday, maybe drinking something with our family, and you cannot see your food, you cannot see the face of your friends. So just tap it, and if it's a big table, you can even put some of them, not only one, two or three, to illuminate the whole table. As well, as far as can be indoors, sometimes you don't want this bright light around you. Something more soft, comfortable for everybody. As well, super light, easy to carry, and very nice with the touch. It's good to go around, so the light is everywhere. I hope you love it as much as I do, guys. See you next time. Bye!